Hi, Mrs. Moss here. In our previous video, we learned about Earth's fields. Well, today we're going to learn about a field that measures elevation. These are known as contour maps. You may have noticed signs like this along the road measuring altitude. Well, altitude is elevation, and elevation is how high above sea level a location may be. So what is a contour map? Well, as we said, a contour line will connect points of equal elevation because contour maps show elevation. That means that anywhere along a line that you go, you will have the same elevation. Contour lines never touch, although they do appear to be touching on some maps. In reality, they are never touching. Elevation at sea level is always 0. And you will also find a CI or contour interval for these maps. The contour interval is the difference between adjacent contour lines. So if we have a simple contour map like this one, and you see the lines are marked 20, 30, 40, and 50, to determine the contour interval, we would take two of these lines and we would subtract them. So 50 minus 40 is 10. So we can tell that the contour interval on this simple map is 10. What is the contour interval on this map? If you said 50, you're right. How about this contour interval? The contour interval on this map is 100. So just to reiterate, the contour interval is the difference between two adjacent contour lines. So as in this one, 200 and 100 are next to each other. So we would subtract them, 200 minus 100, and that would give us our contour interval of 100. This diagram shows how a contour line plots out the shape of a hill. So on the bottom we have the side view of the hill, where you see that this side of the hill is slightly steeper and then it gently slopes down to on the other side. Well, this is indicated by the top view, or the contour lines. If you notice, the circles are closer together on this side, spread out a little bit on this side, just like the slope is. And this center circle represents the top portion of the hill. This diagram, or contour map, shows a little bit of everything that I did out to you. You'll notice that sea level is at 0. This contour line right here along the ocean is going to be 0. Every line up from there we know is 20 meters because of the contour interval noted on the bottom of the map. You will also see sets of circles on this map. I count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. These will be representative of the hills that are in this location. Here is another contour map of a volcano, Shield Volcano, on the island of Hawaii. You'll notice there are also 4 hills. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Because we know this is an island, the line that's outlining the whole entire island must be at 0 because it's sea level. And that would make our contour interval 1,000 feet. How do I know it's feet? Because it says it right here on the key. So here we have a side view of a hill. If we were to plot this contour map using the interval of 20 feet, then as we climb this hill, we would plot our points along the way. So here as we climb up, we reach 120 feet, we would make a line. At 140 feet or 20 more feet up, we would mark another line. Continuing upwards at 160, we would mark a line, and 180, we would mark a line again. So this is just one way you can see how contour maps are created. We're going to go over some more rules of contour maps in our next video. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you soon.